I'm trying out something new today. I have the oven at 350 and I put some pre-baked cookies in the oven for about halfway through, and then I want to top each one with some cheesecake base and put them back in the oven for the rest of the time. And then I have something to top them with. I'm going to put carefully, these are already hot, I'm going to carefully put some cheesecake base on each one. And this was just something I thought of, so I don't know if it's going to turn out, but it sounded good. Ooh, that's a lot on that one. That one's mine. All right, so they're ready to go back in the oven. The cookies are ready, and I've got one more surprise. Heath candy bits. So while they're still warm, I'm going to sprinkle some of these on each one. All right, and after they cool, I'll be back for a taste test. The cookies are cool, and I'm ready to try one. But I took pre-made cookies, the little cookie squares, and I put them in the oven about halfway through, and then I took cheesecake base and topped each one and let the cookies finish baking the rest of the way. And then I topped each one with the Heath cookie bites, or the little cookie bits. So I'm ready to try it. So I'm going to try this one that I called out earlier because it had a lot of the cheesecake base on it, and no wonder I called it because it's a mess. But if you can see, it looks so good. I can't wait. Here we go. Mm. That's pretty amazing. Mm. Mm-hmm.